Why I recommend Trava for your retirement dream home? Number 1, Trava is located in a 450 hectares township development by Greenfield Development Corporation, owner of a Paseo Outlet Mall and Unilab Pharmaceutical Company. Not only the open space, but the commercial and lifestyle within the area. Greenfield has its own private roads leading to Calax and Mamplasan Unilab exit. Kaya naman sobrang accessible nito.
Fantastic.
Number 2, community. Premier developments such as this offer a good neighborhood. Residents and buyers were executives and business owners. Consider the project a retirement house to cater their needs and lifestyle. Number 3, affordable price. It is the most undervalued premier development here in the area. Incomparable to other projects such as New Valley and Rockwell Calmer Ray offers 55 to 65K per square meter. Trava has only 38 to 50K per square meter with a very flexible payment of 2 years to pay with 0 interest. Number 4, world-class amenities. All of the premier developments here in the area, dito lang ako kay Trava na excite ng sobra. Kasi naman, sobrang ganda at sobrang pinag-isipan ng ating amenities dito, which was designed and planned by Toxin and Partners Architectures. For an update, it is ongoing construction. Papakita ko yan sa next video ko. Number 5, utilities. So dito sa Trava, 100% underground ang ating mga utilities. So wala kang makikitang mga unnecessary wires. This is something you will get to experience here in Trava. I will also like to invite you all guys na puntahan natin itong model house na ino-offer nila kay Trava to feel the vibrant and ganda ng ino-offer ni Trava sa kanyang mga residents. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. This is Carlin Orga, your Prime Properties. See you on my next one.